What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhaskar. I hope you all are fine. Today's HTML topic is HTML web form and its attributes. So this is really very important topic, guys. So kindly pay your attentions. We are going to cover this topic in next 4 to 5 videos. So let's get started. An HTML web form is used to collect user input. The HTML form element is used to create an HTML web form. It is a container for different type of inputs elements such as text field, checkbox, radio button, submit button, etc. So, what is HTML web form? Uh, for example, when you decide to sign into gmail.com, okay, what Gmail gives you a space to enter your credentials like your email address and your password. Okay, so that form is known as web form. That is type of a web form. So how you create that web form in your HTML web page? So to create web form you use form element. So let's practically discuss it. This is basic syntax. So this is the element which is known as form or web form. So every data you want to collect from user, okay, you collect it in a form of web form, in form of a text box, or in form of a button, in form of checkbox, radio buttons, etc. So you can do that with this element. Okay, let's discuss about these attributes first. So form attributes, method. So method attributes, there are two type of method attribute. One is get and other is post. So these are the two methods. Okay, get is used to request data from a specified resource. So get means you are requesting something from a server or some web document or some resources saved in your computer or some server. So post is used to send data to server or to create and update a resource. Okay, you can do two things through web form. One, you can send your data, or another is you can request data. Okay, so these are the method attributes here. Either you can use post or you can use get. I've already explained where you can use what method. Okay, the next, action attribute. So action attribute defines the action to be performed when the form is to submitted. Usually the form data is sent to a file on the server when the user clicks on the submit button. So action attributes decides the action. You decides the action through action attribute, that what this web form is going to do when user clicks the submit button. Okay, for example, let me give we will discuss class later. Okay, this is a whole topic we will discuss with example related to classes. So let's discuss about two things, these two things. Okay, so for example, I'm making a web form with input text and with submit button. Okay, I'll explain everything about input in next video. So I'm taking an example to make you guys understand easily. Okay, what I did here is I submit. Okay, so what I did is, let me show you by refreshing. Okay, so what I did here is uh, I define a input field here, and field type is text. Okay, you can enter your text here. So this is the submit button. Okay, this is the submit button and this is input text, this is input text, and this is submit button. For now I want, as I enter my name and submit, I want a message in return that thank you for submission. So how would I do that? So I have another HTML file saved here, this. Okay, so what I did, I simply typed a simple plain text, thanks for submission. And what I'm doing here is, in action, I'm calling this as soon as I press submit button. Okay, so what it will do, whenever I will enter my input text and then whenever I'll click on submit button, I will redirect it to this file, HTML file, and I will get the message which is saved under that web page, sorry, HTML document. So I've entered my name and I'm clicking on submit. As soon as I click on submit, it redirects me to the HTML document IND and shows me the message, thanks for submission. So this is how action button works. Okay, either you want to send your data or either you want to get some, you will decide and you will define it through action attribute. So in next video we will discuss the input and label many more things, and I hope you like this video and I hope you uh, practice these texts after watching this video. And let's meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep learning, keep searching, and keep practicing.